Artificial intelligence, AI, is becoming an integral part of our lives. From Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars and robots, AI is gradually transforming the way we live, work, and interact with each other. However, there is a common misconception that AI will replace humans in the workforce. This could not be further from the truth. Instead, it is the human-AI collaboration that will replace human jobs without AI. AI is not a replacement for human intelligence. It is a tool that can augment human intelligence and help us make better decisions. For instance, AI-powered tools can help doctors diagnose diseases more accurately, lawyers predict the outcome of a case, and finance professionals make better investment decisions. However, these tools cannot replace the human expertise that is required to interpret and apply the results generated by AI. As AI becomes more advanced, it will create new job opportunities that require human skills and expertise. For example, data scientists, machine learning engineers, and AI ethicists are some of the emerging roles in the AI industry. These jobs require a combination of technical skills and human intelligence, such as critical thinking, creativity, and problem-solving abilities. On the other hand, jobs that are repetitive and require little human creativity or judgment are more likely to be automated. For instance, jobs in manufacturing, transportation, and customer service are already being replaced by AI-powered machines and chatbots. However, this does not necessarily mean that these jobs will disappear altogether. Instead, they will evolve to require a different set of skills that are complementary to AI. Furthermore, AI can also help create new industries and markets that did not exist before. For example, the rise of e-commerce and online marketplaces would not have been possible without AI-powered recommendation systems and personalized advertising. Similarly, the development of autonomous vehicles and drones will create new opportunities in logistics and transportation. However, the integration of AI into our daily lives also raises ethical and social issues that need to be addressed. For instance, how do we ensure that AI-powered systems are unbiased and do not perpetuate existing social inequalities? How do we protect our privacy and personal data from AI-powered surveillance systems? How do we ensure that AI does not replace human creativity and innovation? In conclusion, AI is not the replacement of human.